He turned off the camera and he starts having a Thanksgiving Day meltdown.
Well, he bit Mom.
He bit me and grabbed my face, and then I put him down and I told him, no, this is all drama. You note there are no tears coming out of those CP.
I think so. He needs to go to sleep.
He's had a few incident reports from daycare, though, for biting. You need to go sleep?
You want a bottle?
Bottle.
Oh. You want a bottle? Oh.
And what?
Is this what you want? Is this what you want?
Oh, you're getting skim milk. Dr. Loesch would have a hissy fit.
That's all there is. Here we go. Come get it. Come on, come get it. Come here. You there, baby.
All better.
There, baby. Oh, sweetheart. Sweetheart. Okay, go get in your chair.
Come on, son, let's go get in the recliner.
Let's get your chair. Come on.
I suggest you do the same.
Come on, Sean.
Is that what you told Tom Riddle, sir, when he came after the place?
Sit in your chair.
Dumbledore put you up to this, didn't he?
There you go.
Aww.
Didn't he?
And the world is good again. All better?
Yes? Your father. I'm sorry, I'm busy.
I'm probably in Daddy's way. Hi. Hi. Say bye-bye.
Beautiful, isn't it? The moon.
Divine.
Kick, 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 kick.
Had ourselves a little late night snack, did we?
Kick, 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 kick.
What was on your bed, the box? I just thought I'd try.